Hi there, folders. We're back again with session 3.
So we're back to my half-stabilized protein from earlier. What I usually do is I bring it to a state like this. And I might change this in, no, let me try that. But the next step would be to try and compress it to make it a little more compact. Let's see how this works. I think that worked out quite nicely. One thing I'll do is deactivate but keep in place the bands, and then do a wiggle, see how high the score goes. It's basically allowing the whole structure to adjust itself a bit. And while this is not really moving up very fast, I'm keeping an eye on the iteration count, and it's still at number 2. And that means that in the background, okay, now it's moving quicker, as you can see. But as long as it's not moving very quick, I will leave it wiggling, even if the score doesn't go up very fast, because it means that in the background things are moving into place, because otherwise it would move very quickly if there was no room for improvement. The same is true for the shakes. As long as they move slowly or don't move at all, there is still a possibility that something will snap into place in the background. So again, I'll do a wiggle. It's not that much. Okay. So the next thing to do is to try and compress it. And let's see what I have here. I'll use a quick compress. And this is a GUI script. This is like old school scripting. Before we had these nice programming and Lua programming interfaces, there was no other way to write automated maneuvers than to do this in the GUI script. And for things like this, it is an easy way to quickly put something together. You will notice that I haven't done the blue fuse yet. I will do that in a little while. But basically, at this point, it starts to become a scripting operation. After a while, when scripts have ironed out the let's say the uneven areas, I'll take a look and see if I can manually change something in a different direction, keeping an eye on the score at that point. And if that's possible, then I'll reactivate the scripts afterwards. I'll stop this one. So it's a bit too much for my taste. Probably everybody else's taste too. But so after a while, the scripts will take over until there are no points to gain, and then I might adjust individual segments. So I don't mind leaving it at that, but I'm open for questions if you have any.